Congratulations to our NTCA Five-Star Project of the Year winners, which is sponsored by Dow Tile. Our categories for 2020 are Residential, Commercial, Commercial Elite, and People's Choice, which is decided by online voting. I would like to take a moment to thank our esteemed judges who we rely on for their technical expertise and passion for our industry. Richard P. Goldberg, architect and president of Procon Consulting, architecture and tile industry consultant. Kent Glazer of Tile and Stone Consultants, and David M. Gobis, ceramic tile consultant. The criteria for this award include scope, complexity, technical soundness, and presentation. For this video, we will be highlighting our Commercial Elite winners, which are for tile projects $1 million and above, and People's Choice. First, I would like to showcase our Commercial Elite Achievement of Excellence winner, DEANZA Tile, Fremont, California, for the Oakland T12 City Center project in Oakland, California. The main level public areas of the 23-floor Oakland T12 office building, designed by KSH Architects, feature Aristia 24-inch by 40-inch by 3/4 inch and 24-inch by 24-inch by 3/4 inch porcelain pavers for interior and exterior. The interior elevator lobby and main corridor walls of the LEED Gold building featured Graniti Fiandri maximum 9 foot by 5 foot by 6 millimeters porcelain panels to accomplish seamless alignment of porcelain paver grout joints from interior lobby to exterior and onto the concrete sidewalk. 2 different installation systems were utilized. The marble veining on the porcelain wall panels was designed to align through 4 different panel varieties. Absolute precision was required for reception desk veining to come together at 3 different angles to form a monolithic cubic appearance. The overall project installed 8,000 square feet on the interior and 10,000 square feet at the exterior. 200 9-foot by 5-foot porcelain panels at the interior corridor walls and reception desk. Now it is time to honor our Commercial Elite Grand Prize winner, David Allen Company, Raleigh, North Carolina, for the Hotel Bennett located in Charleston, South Carolina. Hotel Bennett had many different patterns and required strategic planning weeks in advance. Field measurements were double-checked and dry layouts were done to ensure pleasing pattern placements. The porcelain tile and stone border in the grand lobby were hand-cut in the field to be flush with the radial corners that wrap the room. Cut-to-size stone treads and risers were fabricated for both monumental staircases and mirror each other. The stairwells were designed at a radius requiring the top risers to be fabricated out of 5 cm material, laminated together and water jet cut for a seamless finish. On the exterior, 12 by 12, 12 by 24, and 24 by 24 porcelain tile covered over 8,000 square feet of balconies and decks on multiple levels. Plus, the rooftop pool deck was in direct sunlight and scheduled for a summer install, requiring crews to work in cool morning hours and tent the work areas in the afternoons. The 100,000 square foot project required planning, finesse, and superior craftsmanship over the 47-month timeline. Last, we would like to congratulate Premier Tile and Marble from Gardenia, California, winners of the People's Choice Award for the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures, the Saban Building in Los Angeles, California. This project was the restoration of an iconic 1939 streamlined modern building. It involved the preservation, rehabilitation, and replacement that spanned 6 stories of 350,000 of its 500,000 24-karat gold 1x1 tiles. Working hand in hand with preservationists and conservators, each of the 500,000 tiles were inspected, graded, marked, and accepted or deemed unfit for rehabilitation. Damaged mosaics were removed with small 1-inch rotary power tools and low-impact pneumatic chisels. This mosaic installation had to fit flush and align with preserved existing tiles, one piece at a time. Special substrate preparation included hydraulic injection of ultra-low shrinkage, flowable, self-consolidating fine grout for structural bonding of delaminating mass, fortified mortar bed installation for delaminated areas, and anti-fracture membrane over existing concrete cracks. Crews had to replace their usual high production pace with slow, meticulous attention to detail and care of the original installation, focusing on preservation and a spotless installation. The reflective nature of the material made any deviation immediately apparent. Congratulations to all our winners from the NTCA Five-Star Contractor Group.